The bucket. Alright guys, so we're finally at the track. As you can see, surrounded by a bunch of like cars. You guys saw we did the suspension wheels of the car. Haven't done much since you guys last seen it. Decided to finally do what we said we built this car for, so let's see how it performs.
What's up guys, it's Gary here. All-purpose built protege. Have the 2000 Honda Civic. We're out on our first track day here at Englishtown Raceway. We're getting lined up right now to see pretty much the group styles and stuff to get our first run out on the track and stuff. So all pretty exciting stuff, honestly.
Love the fresh smell of oil in the morning. That thing smokes like a chimney. What is it, a diesel? Chugging them out. Your brother's hauling ass. Oh no! Oh shit! That man went too hot in that corner. Oh. Smell brakes. Don't put your e-brake up. What? Those pads will get stuck. Glued to the rotors.
Don't you always have to put your e-brake up in the main?
Oh no, so I'll put it in gear. All right, guys. So I just finished my first lap, my first session, and it was everything I expected. The car was smoking on decel, it was smoking on acceleration, It was smoking on just regular driving and braking, so this car smokes. This thing, towards the end of the session, the car kept shutting off on me when I put it in neutral to downshift, and I was having a hard time getting into gears. So when we pulled up, I realized the car was completely hot. It's like super hot right now, and it would just stall on me. So we're gonna let it cool down and see what happens for the next session. Integra Rs goes on. The MR2 is crazy, yo.
Yeah, that guy's nice too.
Gabe's outside. He told me that they some the previous swapped the front pan of it. It's like all rusted out.
Alright guys, so exactly what I expected to happen happened. So all that smoke is no longer a thing because I blew the engine. What happened was that one of the heater hoses on the back of the manifold, it like split. I'll show you guys. I'll put a video of it here. And it lost all the coolant. I spun out, and I guess as I was spinning out, it was full throttle or something. And I limped it all the way back because I thought I blew a tire. And ended up actually, the engine just has a slight bottom end knock. So this is it for the Civic. Not sure what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna take this home and I'm gonna drive Brother Kervis's car for the rest of the event, just so I can get my license, and then I can come back with another car next time. So for now, this is it for the Civic.
So, but how'd you feel about those two sessions you drove?
It was good. The first session was just a learning thing. I was taking turns too hot. I thought it was like, you know, Need for Speed driving it, and I learned in the second lap. Luckily, the guy in front of me had an instructor, so I was following his same drive line. He had like a C63 AMG. He was way faster than me, but at least I was at least following his line, so I was cutting it in. And then between us, a GR86 got in the way, and I was on his ass on the turns. But on the straightaways, he was out. I mean, I only have like 95 horsepower, 256,000 miles ago. So yeah, I was down probably like 270. But either way, it was fun. It sucks that I'm out, but now I just got to develop the car a little bit better to come out next time.